A cluttered dashboard can overwhelm any trader. And with this video, guys, I will show you how SmartCharts makes your workflow efficient and how you could customize your workspace. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the SmartCharts landing page. Link to this will be in the description of the video. So let me go ahead and give you an idea on who SmartChart is first, and then we'll head onto the dashboard and the different customizations that you can do to improve your workspace. So SmartCharts, guys, provides traders with powerful tools to personalize your workspace and ensure the efficiency and the tailoring of your trading experience. So customizing features allows users to design a dashboard that suits their unique needs, which promotes clarity and focus in a fast-paced trading environment. And as you guys all know, everybody has their own preference as to what they want to see and what they don't want to see, right? So those are the top things that we will check out later on with SmartChart. This is the best thing about this, guys, is that if you could go ahead and customize what you want to see, what are the things that you just really need for you to be able to, fulfill whatever needs to be done. So with SmartCharts, guys, traders can modify the themes, the layout, and the color schemes to create a visually appealing and functional interface. I don't know about you guys, but for me, the colors matter. The positioning of the charts also matters to me because, like, if I want this pair to be on the far left side, I want the next pair to be on the next, and then the far bottom right is this. That is what I want to see every time I log into my dashboard. So the platform also enables the addition and the removal of tools, the indicators, and the widgets, which ensures that only the essential features are on the front and the center of your dashboard. So advanced users can even create custom indicators or chart templates, which enhances their ability to analyze market trends and make informed decisions on the spot, right? Now, another standout feature, guys, is the ability to set up alerts, notifications for key market movements, and whether monitoring the price levels, indicator thresholds, or economic events, SmartCharts makes sure that traders stay up to date in real time and enables swift action when the opportunity arises, right? So by combining all those robust customization options, SmartCharts is actually empowering the traders to streamline their workflow, focusing on the critical data and enhance their trading precision. So from novice to expert, every trader can actually benefit from a personalized dashboard. So let me go ahead and show you SmartCharts when you log in. So I'm in the charts tab, guys. All right, so these are the things that I am seeing. Now you also could favorite whatever trading pair you want. Okay, and if you click on the small wheel, and this applies to each of the charts that you see on screen. So they also have their gear here, whatever you want to call this. So this is for the settings. All right, so if you click on it, you have the up bar background. You could change that to whatever color you want. So if you don't want to see green and you want to see a different color, you could customize it however you want it to be, okay? So now you could also, if you click on that again, sorry, I went out. So you have the down bar background, down bar wick. Okay, so you even have the wick, okay? So for the current chart, if you want to see like the lines here, so if I click on update, you're gonna see the line on that one and like the candlesticks on the others or the charts. Okay, so if you want to put it back again, because for me, I don't know about you, but I always use the candlesticks when I'm doing my chart analysis or my charting. So those are the things, and you could also expand that. So if you want this to be big, you could if you want that to be focused, then you could make it big, and if you want to put it back, you could put it back. All right, so you could drag it, you could click on whatever pair, so you have everything there. Those are actually, in my honest opinion, super duper helpful because, again, if you only have one monitor for trading, if you could, if you have like hotkeys right there that you could just go ahead and click and it will change. And if you have like multiple charts there, that would be super helpful. So I'm using 3 screens for my workflow, and that's for me. But again, if you are, a beginner or an intermediate and you just have one screen, then this is going to be super duper helpful for you, because again, you could cascade, you could put in all the windows right there, and you could just go ahead and click on stuff and it will change for you directly. Okay, so that's one. And then number 2, if you click on the top right where there's like another gear there, you click on that one, it's going to give you these settings right here. Okay, so we could click on general. You have the language, the full name, the avatar. For trading, okay, you have the default trading percentage risk, where you could change it to however or whatever preference you want. Okay, and for the default chart type, you could change it to whatever type of chart type you want, and in my case it's going to be candles. All right, and then news category, you have high impact, medium impact, low impact. If you want all those to be selected, so it's going to light up if you click on it. So in my case, it's just high impact. Okay, news displayed on chart, you have the past, you have current bar, and you have future. So you could again click on it, so make sure it's highlighted, that way it's going to be turned on. Mini terminal positions are right-handed versus left-handed. Then you also have the chart tools position, horizontal, vertical, trade marker position, and others. Okay, you have zoom chart. So you have zoom chart icons as well as there. All right, so you have it at the bottom. Okay, so you could enable that or disable that. It's totally up to you. Hide profit and loss, you have the one on the top right there. Okay, so you have it shown on mine. Now again, guys, you could go ahead and check this one out during your own time, and I would strongly suggest that you try this one out. Make sure to do your own research, that way you would know what you're getting yourself into. But again, SmartCharts has all those customizations that will definitely make your trading experience more efficient and super fast and precise. So if you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next amount. Peace.